Now do you want to explain what we're doing?
I'm putting in the storm door. Is putting in the handle. Which is weird, it doesn't say insert handle with spindle into outside trim plate. Rotate handle 180 degrees to secure.
And it's very nice out.
Repeat the other.
And it's very nice out. Look at how nice it is outside. It's very hot outside. It's very hot outside.
This slider.
It's very hot outside.
Installed on the door. Trim plates should not be installed on the door while completing this step. Okay, so I guess we're just putting this into here right now. And so it's started here, and then I rotate 180 degrees. That's what I did. Okay. This kind of looks backwards from what you think, but okay. This in here. Rotating 180 degrees. Okay. Now what? What else do we even have here? Oh no, we got plenty more here. Okay, so rotate handle levers into vertical position. Install both handle assemblies onto door. Spindle will pass through square hole and lock case into other handle. Install lock bar latch to lock bar. Okay. Lock bar latch.
Okay, now you want to explain what you're doing, or?
Yeah. Just trying to put this latch on.
Huh?
For this.
The knob.
Yeah, I think they call it a latch, but
Whatever.
well, that doesn't seem right.
Wow.
This doesn't seem right.
Hey, Eric,
What?
with Dixie's caravan.
Okay. How'd you put it up there? God damn it, there's a flea on me. Flea on me? Oh, the flea just flew away. Yeah, well, this is our new knob for the door, the glass door. Bet you never saw that ever in your life. Well, I'm sure you have, but it's very unusual to see something like that. Okay, I can film. Oh, look at, I'm filming myself right now on this marble, or whatever you want to call it, that gold knob.